What's for breakfast?
Hey, how's it going, guys?
We're at Scales Gift Shop in Fisherman's Wharf. Reina, what's your last name?
My name is Reina Garcia.
Reina, and you are supervisor here?
Yes, I am a store supervisor.
Here at Scales Gift Shop. How long have you been here?
Well, the Scales Gift Shop has been open for almost 2 years, and I've been here for 2 years as well. They opened 6 months ago.
Oh, right from the start, huh?
Yeah.
Did you grow up in the area?
No, I actually, I was born in Mexico.
Oh, okay.
And then they brought me here when I was like around 8. So I grew up kind of like most of my year here. So right now I'm 19.
In the area, huh?
Yes.
Well, great. And so tell us about your gift shop here. You got all kinds of stuff.
Yes, we do. We have clothes, snacks, drinks. Get people ready for whale watching. And we also have like souvenir things. We have like
Oh yeah, when you're going whale watching, get all the medicine in case they forget. Right. Have you been out on the whale boats?
No, I haven't been.
Huh?
No.
So you're gonna go one of these days?
Yeah, one of these days I want to go.
Well, I will tell you that as far as I'm concerned, you're a star because you were the first one. Let me move my bag over here. On our brand new CD, Sounds of the Monterey Peninsula, and you put it right on the counter, and we want to tell you how much we appreciate that.
Yes, you see,
People.
It's a really good idea.
Oh, thank you very much. Well, I brought you a special copy this morning, so you can actually hear it. But you can go online.
I'm happy with this.
You can go on mymontereypeninsula.com too and get the sample copy of it too. So I checked out Scales Restaurant, and it really is a great restaurant, isn't it?
It is a great restaurant.
People
they have everything, pasta, everything, steak.
Reviews are really good on Scales. So while they're here, kind of waiting to get a table or whatever it may be, or they've just had lunch or dinner or whatever it is, they can come into the gift shop and see.
Check the store out. We have everything they need.
It's the best gift shop on the wharf.
It is. It's one of the newest one here on the wharf too.
And the nicest, friendliest people here as well. You're so kind. Thank you for supporting Sounds of the Monterey Peninsula, and thanks for being so nice to us. We appreciate it, Reina. Come and see Reina.